अनीता वर्मा। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 8 चैप्टर 3 ग्लिम्स ऑफ पास्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर। डू यू थिंक द इंडियन प्रिंसेस वर शॉर्ट साइटेड in their approach to the event of 1757? Answer: yes, the Indian princes were really short-sighted. They always kept on fighting among themselves. They also took support of the British to defeat their own men. How did the East India Company subdue the Indian princes? The East Indian Company subdued the Indian princes through their policy of divide and rule. First, they extended support to the Indian kings and later took over their kingdom. Question number 3. Quotes the words used by Ram Mohan Roy to say that every religion teaches the same principles. Ram Mohan Roy taught cows are of different colors, but the color of the milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is the same. Fourth, in what way did the British officers exploit Indians? The British officers imposed heavy taxes on the Indian farmers. They brought British goods free of import duty. They also cut the thumbs of Indian artisans. They passed Regulation 3rd. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. All the time, the British officers in India drew huge salaries and also made fortunes in private business. Name these people. The ruler who fought pitched battles against the British and died fighting. The person who wanted to reform the society. The person who recommended the introduction of English education in India. Two popular leaders who led the revolt. Choice may vary. Answer: Tipu Sultan, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Lord Macaulay, Tatya Tope, and Veer Kunwar Singh. 6. Mention the following. 2 examples of social practices prevailing them. 2 oppressive policies of the British. 2 ways of which common people suffered. 4. Reason for the discontent that led to the 1857 War of Independence. Answer: untouchability, child marriage, 2 imposition of heavy taxes on Indian goods, to put the Indian in jail without trial in a court. Indian industries were ruined with the exporting of British machine-made goods. The Indian farmers had to abandon their land due to heavy taxes. The Indian people became puppets in the hands of the British. Indian industries and artisans were completely ruined. Disparity between the British and Indian officials. The use of cartridge made of the fat of cows and pigs. ये था क्लास 8 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 3 ग्लिम्सेस ऑफ द पास्ट की क्वेश्चन आंसर। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कीजिए। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।